Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is really important, so make sure you watch it till the end. I'm making this video right after I noticed this new airdrop, and the interesting part is, it's being advertised by Khabib. So it's likely a legit one, not some random scam. But here's the thing, the airdrop only has 4 days left to join, so don't waste time. Let me quickly show you how to participate and complete the simple tasks. First, go to the link in the description and click on Enter Airdrop Now. If it asks to allow cookies, just allow them. Next, it'll ask for your BNB EVM address, enter it carefully and submit. Then fill in your name and email, and double check before submitting. If you don't have a Gleam account, create one. It's easy, just sign up with Google. Since I already have one, I'll choose the email option to receive a secret code. Once you get the code, verify it, then go back to the website and log in using the same email you just used. After signing up successfully, complete the remaining simple tasks. If you face any issues, just message me on our Telegram group. I'll help you out there. That's it for today's video. I know many of you are waiting for the bot update and the Wallet Finder app. Please be patient. I'm still debugging the code to make sure everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.